Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent paard, or horse in English. This is the way we say paard. 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 Yes, there is an R in it, but you don't really have to roll that R. You can if you want to, and it will sound like this. Paard. 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 Or if the rolling R is a little bit too difficult for you, you can do this. Paard. Paard. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!